start off with medium-sized rollers, which are these, and you want to warm them up for about 10 minutes and get them as hot as possible. First thing I'm going to do is do a section down the middle and then 2 sections down the side. I like to use a setting solution, and I like this Chi iron guard, and then I'll use a rat tail comb so that I can section the hair off. Take sections that are about as wide and long as the roller. Don't want to get much more than that. Joanne has a finer shaft of hair, and so I want to create the body so that we can have a good structure to build upon. So I'll spray the thermal setting spray and then comb through the hair and bring it to a point. I'll take the roller and I'm going to be rolling these backwards. Now I take the end of the comb, of the rat tail comb, and I will fold the ends of the hair under into the roller set so that I don't get any kinks at the ends of the hair, because if you don't do that, you can get these kinks at the end of the hair, and they don't turn out so smooth when you're styling the hair at the end. And then I'll just take a little clip like this and put it in to hold it. Then I'll continue down the middle, and then like I said, the 2 sections down the side.
Oh, wicked.
So for the beehive, what we're going to do is start back combing. We start at the top, put your head back a little bit, and we're just going to press down as much as we can. We want to get as much volume underneath. We're building the sort of foundation for this hairstyle. And lots of hairspray. I leave the ends about that much free of the back combing. As I'm building here, I'm going to take hairpins like this, and I'll bend the hook back a little bit so I can start to anchor them together, which will help stabilize my foundation. I just have a brush, like a little paddle brush, and I'm going to start in the back, smooth out the top of this, but we want to keep as much height as we can. I'll take my bobby pins and start pinning this hair up, and then lots of spray. Beehive is just, you know, lots of back combing, and then you can sort of go where you want with it. And that's how you do a beehive.
Wonder how to